Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the circuit is dead with a non-contact tester, safety first. Once done, remove the faceplate and loosen the mounting screws so the switch can swing out. Make sure to photograph or label each wire, line hot, load to the light, neutral, and ground, because matching these later prevents mistakes. You'll also inspect the box for space and note if there's a shared neutral, since that affects which sensor model you'll install. You now remove the old switch and separate the wires, taking care not to let conductors touch. Next, identify the sensor's terminals and connect line to line and load to load. If the sensor needs neutral, tie it to the neutral bundle. This is why you checked for a neutral earlier. Make secure connections with correctly sized wire nuts and give each a gentle tug. Once all wiring is solid, tuck the wires back into the box, align the sensor, and fasten it to the wall so mounting is flush and stable. You can turn the breaker back on and immediately program the sensor settings for sensitivity, time delay, and daylight cutoff. These adjust how and when the light responds. Then test motion detection from different angles and distances and verify it ignores daylight if required. If the light doesn't operate, switch off power and recheck wire connections, confirm the line is feeding the correct terminal, and ensure the sensor has the required neutral. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.